Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to take apart an Android tablet. I took this one apart already, and here's an identical one. It's a Clue Curtis. I took this one apart already because, if you can see, cracked glass. And interestingly, this one has a crackling noise to it. My kids drop these all the time. So I thought, well, I'll just take the glass off this one, put it on this one, and I'll have one good one. We'll see if it works. It should. With most Androids, there'll be a couple screws back here. This one's covered up in the tag. Your little Phillips type. And I put a little piece of tape here to put the screws on. So typically just the two screws. There's little plastic tools, like a little spatula type thing you can use to pry this apart. But I have pretty good fingernails here. I can just get in there and there you go. Just kind of work it and pop it open. You can kind of hear each clasp popping. Just work my nail in there. Hey, there's one. Ooh, it all came off. Hope I got one more here somewhere. There it is. Now there's a speaker wire. Open it closely, or carefully I should say. And there's my speaker wire. I'm going to flip it this way so as not to ruin that speaker. I think these do pop out. Yes. Some are taped in. I'll just do that. Set that aside. And there's these three brackets here, which are holding the whole plate in. This little screwdriver's not very good. There we go. If you can see. Oop, there's one. Get out of there. And again, I'm going to put this on my tape here. I have tape rolled over so it's sticky right there. Keeps these little screws from disappearing. See, another one on the tape. And this should pop off, yep. And more screws and brackets. And my tape. Brackets there. Now you got some connectors here. This connector here is your, I don't know what you call it, the conductive glass. This is just held on with some tape just to keep it in place. And it's just a pin. Just work it on both sides, a pin connection. There. Come on. There we go. And out she comes. Let's see here. This is connected to the plate. Now this plate pops up, but there are some little clips. As you can see, one there, one there. So you just kind of work your way up. Actually, before I do that, another clip here. I'm not going to fully pull it off because I don't want to push it that way and crimp this. So I'm just going to release it a little bit. And that way I can take this whole assembly and pull it out. That's my speaker. Let me just get something under there. I'm going to put this under there just to prop it up so I can work my way around. So here's that little clip. I'm going to push a little bit. There we go. I'm going to get this guy under there. Now, careful, I don't want to scratch anything. Should be using plastic, not these metal things, but these are inexpensive kids' tablets, which I'm not too concerned about. So now my whole assembly is moving, and I should be able to pull it that way. And again, I want to make sure that doesn't crimp. Oh, look at this, I forgot these guys. See, this whole thing could come out. See, it's wiggling, but I want to take the circuit board with it. 3 little screws. Real tiny guys. Put them on my tape so I don't lose them. There's 1. There's 2. And 3. Now, again, I'm pulling it away from this pin. That's, see, I want to be careful of that. So you can see the whole circuit board moving. I want to take it as one unit. I just pulled the whole thing out. Right there. On that one, I actually pulled this thing out. I didn't do any harm here, it looks like. And there you go. Now I'm going to switch. This is my bad piece of glass. You can see here on the other one it just stayed in. What am I doing? Oh yeah, putting the good glass on this tablet here. So I'll do that in another video if you'd like to watch that one. Thanks.